What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swing Trade Shack back with another video. So just going to be a quick update on what we saw today from Ehang stock. My prediction did end up panning out and we saw prices go a lot lower, a lot quicker than I expected. So let's just get right into the price action of what we saw today. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe for future videos. Now, before we start, just a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is intended for entertainment purposes only. Now let's get into it. Now, if you haven't seen my last video on Ehang, give it a watch so you can learn how I analyze stocks the way I do. And you can learn these techniques for yourself to be able to identify what stocks you should be looking to buy and what you should be waiting aside to see how the price action develops. So on the daily chart today, we saw a big drop of 11% after seeing price close below our long wicked hammer candlestick, which I did outline in my last video. This confirmed that buyers had lost the battle and prices would continue lower. Our price target was 23.38. Okay. I did not expect this decrease in value to happen so quickly, but it looks as though we're about to reach that price. And now I'm sure a lot of you, especially if you own the stock, you're wondering what happens next. So let's actually just go on the lower time frame. Let's look at the hourly chart, see what happened intraday today. So as we could see, we saw price action remain on a downtrend. On the weekly, it was on a downtrend, on the daily, and now looking at the lower time frame, even in the lower time frame, it's on a downtrend. This downtrend is categorized by when we see lower highs and lower lows. So today we saw sellers aggressively enter the market right at the open, shown through our big gap down in price action. And we've entered my next support zone. Near the end of the day, we saw a couple buyers step in, but this was on a very light time frame. So in our multi-time frame analysis, there's still a downtrend across all time frames. So this means that we should continue to expect prices to go lower. Now, the one thing I want to mention is that this area here is a demand zone. So what does this mean? This is an area where price was previously consolidating and then buyers aggressively entered the market. So as you could see, last time we were at this level, we saw some consolidation and then boom, price went all the way up to our all-time highs, okay? So now that we're back at this zone, what does this mean? It's been a key level in the past, and I personally love to take plays at strong demand zones, but we have to always consider when we're doing analysis on stocks, what have we seen recently? What have we seen in the past? Ehang has been selling off very aggressively. And if we actually just grab our ruler here, we're down 80% from all-time highs. And it's happened within the span of a couple months. Now, if you have a lot of risk tolerance, there's some catalyst here where you could justify buying at this level. Like I typically like to buy at demand zones. But recent price action just makes me want to avoid buying this stock altogether until we at least see some sort of bounce. We see some breaks of resistance, and then we look for buys on the retest or on a break of market structure as we move to the upside. So as of right now, in my opinion, I would not buy this stock yet, but we're currently at a demand zone, so we may see a bounce here. If we don't see a bounce at this zone and we continue lower, as I believe we will, my next price target would be $20.58 for our next support level. So that's it for me. I like to keep these videos short and sweet. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe for future updates. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.